Are you ready for the biggest drops? Here are the top hidden offers live on Flipkart right now. Stick around to see them all. Discover a drizzle of beauty with amazing products from Aqualogica, Mamaearth, Dr. Chefs, and the Derma Co. Plus, explore featured favorites like Maybelline Colossal Kajal, L'Oreal Paris Hyaluron Moisture Shampoo, Mars, and Lotus Express Glow Daily Beauty Creme. Pamper your skin and hair with Mamaearth's best sellers. Shop Rice Dewy Bright Face Wash, Vitamin C Body Wash, Cocoa Rich Body Lotion, and Onion Hair Oil now at up to 70% off. Get up to 35% off on Garnier Bright Complete Vitamin C Serum Cleanser. Grab it now for bright and hydrated skin. Transform your skincare routine with the Derma Company, featuring Kojic Acid Face Serum, Niacinamide Gentle Skin Cleanser, Hyaluronic Sunscreen Aqua Gel, and Kojic Acid Glutathione Soap, now at up to 30% off. Upgrade your skincare routine with Gar Soaps Ayurveda Plus Science, now at up to 60% off. Shop bestseller essentials like the Magic Face Wash, Magic Body Lotion, Magic Bar, and 2% Salicylic Acid Serum today. Get up to 50% off on Lotus Herbal's skincare products. Shop your favorites like Radiance Boost Upton Face Wash, Safe Sun Daily Sunscreen, White Glow Vitamin C Gel Creme, and Radiance Facial Kits today. Upgrade your skincare routine with Dr. Chefs. Get up to 50% off on products like the Ceramide and Vitamin C Oil-Free Moisturizer, Geyser and Kojic Acid Face Wash, and Ceramide and Vitamin C Oil-Free Sunscreen. Revitalize your skincare routine with Aqualogica products. Enjoy up to 50% off on their amazing range including the Hydrate Plus Toning Mist, Detan Plus Smoothie Face Wash, Radiance Plus Dewy Gel Sunscreen, and more. Discover premium scents like Oscar Forever Night Fragrance, now available at an incredible price under Rs 249. Find all the links in the description below. Subscribe for more deals.